The Reliavac line of upright single motor vacuums, great value, great traditional tool in our industry, and the technology is such that it's trusted and it's been out there a long time. The Advance offers a few things in this product offering that the competition doesn't. Primarily you're going to see and hear a lot about the unbreakable fan. It comes with a lifetime warranty on this fan. It's going to outlast all the other fans in the industry, the primary air mover in these machines. Also, the Reliavac Super Belt, which is 10 to 5 times longer lifespan than traditional belts that are out there. So those are two key features. You'll also notice standard high visibility safety yellow cords on all our units. This is the Reliavac 12, which is a very standard unit with a cloth shakeout bag. The Reliavac 12Dc, which is a dust cup for larger debris, and some end users like to be able to just shake that out and keep going. When you go to the HD, you're going to see it comes with a headlight. It also comes with a aluminum beater bar that is shaped for maximum airflow, not your traditional round beater bar. And it's also available in a 16. Some of the key features under here that all our vacuums are going to come standard with a clear view cover for the fan. A lot of the machines in the industry don't, but every one of ours will, which allows you to inspect visually the fan housing so you can look for debris. Instead of rivets, we use real hardware, including nylock nuts here, so this never gets loose or sloppy, and if it does, you can adjust it. So we always have a nice tight fit here to take off the broom and belt cover, which is easily accessible. There's that belt for easy change out. A lot of these parts are interchangeable with some of the other machines in the industry, including the beater bar, the belts, and some of these covers. The fans are pretty universal on other machines in the industry as well. When you get to the HD units, you'll upgrade to a bag with a zipper, and now you have that insert in there that has more of a top fill type bag, and the disposable paper dust bags as well. So that's a brief overview on the line of vacuums we call the Reliavac.